$200 per week in passive income means $10,400 in your pocket every single year without trading hours for it. Most Australians have one income stream. Most New Zealanders have one. And when that income stops, illness, redundancy, burnout, everything stops. But what if you could build 5 different micro-income sources that run completely separately? Not $5,000 per month fantasy numbers. Not pyramid schemes. Real, measurable, Australian-friendly passive income that you can start this week with zero upfront cost and a smartphone. I'm going to show you the exact 5 platforms I use, the real monthly earnings from each one, and how to stack them so they compound into something genuinely useful. This is not a get-rich-quick video. This is a build a real safety net video. Let's start with what passive income actually means in Australia right now. Passive income is money that flows to you without you trading time for it in that specific moment. You did the work once. You set it up once. And it pays you repeatedly. The average Australian household has $15,000 in savings. They could have $15,000 plus $10,400 per year in passive income streams within 12 months of building the stack. But most people don't build it because they don't know where to start and they think it's either too complicated or a scam. Here are the 5 platforms that actually work right now in Australia and New Zealand. Platform 1. Cashback and rewards apps. This is where you start. It's the lowest friction entry point. You're probably already spending money on groceries, petrol, shopping, bills. Cashback apps let you earn between 1% and 5% back on every dollar you spend. The average Australian household spends $25,000 per year on groceries and household goods. That's $250 to $1,250 per year just captured from money you are already spending. The app one use pays $30 to $50 per month after month 3. Monthly spending stays the same. The app is literally a redirect on your existing spending. That's $360 to $600 per year from Platform 1 alone. Zero time investment after setup. Platform 2. Content licensing. If you own a smartphone, you already own a camera capable of making money. Stock photo and video platforms pay for images and clips. You take a photo of a sunset, a coffee, a street corner, a plant, something that exists in your daily life. You upload it once. It sits on the platform forever. Every time someone licenses that image, you earn between 50 cents and $5 per license. I'm earning $40 to $60 per month from images I took in my first month. I uploaded 150 photos across 2 platforms. That took 4 hours. Now, every month, between 20 and 40 of those photos get licensed. I did the work once. The money comes in automatically. That's $480 to $720 per year from Platform 2. 4 hours of setup work in month 1. Platform 3. Micro-investing with dividend reinvestment. An Australian can open a micro-investing app, contribute $100 per month, and have that $100 automatically divided across 15 to 30 Australian dividend-paying shares. The average dividend yield on Australian shares right now is 3.8 to 4.2%. If you put $100 per month into a micro-investing platform for 12 months, you have $1,200 invested. At 4% dividend yield, that's $48 per year in dividends. Doesn't sound like much yet. But here's where the stack works. You take your $30 from Platform 1 and your $50 from Platform 2, and you add that directly to Platform 3. Now you're adding $80 per month instead of $100. After 12 months at 4% yield, your micro-investments are generating about $55 per month in dividends. That's $660 per year. And that number grows by 5% to 7% every year if you keep reinvesting the dividends. Platform 4. Digital product resale. This one requires you to create one digital asset. A template, a checklist, a guide, a spreadsheet. Something that takes between 5 and 10 hours to build once, and then sells for $20 to $50 per unit. I created a rental property spreadsheet. Takes 10 minutes to use. Took me 8 hours to build. I've sold 15 copies across 3 Australian platforms. At $25 per copy, that's $375 in revenue. One of the platforms I use charges a 30% fee, so my take-home is $262.50 for 8 hours of work done one time. Now, some months I sell 2 copies. Some months I sell 5. The point is, I built it once. It generates between $20 and $100 per month passively. That's $240 to $1,200 per year from Platform 4. 8 hours of setup in month 1. Platform 5. Referral networks. This is the most automated of the 5. You refer people to fintech platforms, insurance providers, investment services, and other Australian companies. Every referral that signs up and meets a qualifying action earns you between $5 and $30. I use 4 referral networks. My average is 12 to 18 referrals per month that hit the qualifying threshold. At $8 average per referral, that's between $96 and $144 per month. These referrals come from people clicking a link I shared on my socials, forums, or recommendations I make to friends who are asking anyway. That's $1,152 to $1,728 per year from Platform 5. 2 hours per month to maintain and share links. Everything else is automated. Let me add this up with real numbers. Platform 1, cashback apps, $360 to $600 per year. Platform 2, content licensing, $480 to $720 per year. Platform 3, micro-investing dividends, $660 per year, growing. Platform 4, digital product resale, $240 to $1,200 per year. Platform 5, referral networks, $1,152 to $1,728 per year. Total in year 1, $2,892 to $5,208 per year. That's $55 to $100 per week. Not $200 yet. Here's why. You're probably thinking, wait, you said $200 per week. Correct. But I've been describing the baseline, the conservative numbers from month 1 and month 2. By month 3, when everything is live and running, the numbers change. By month 6, when some platforms are recommending your content and products, the numbers change again. By month 12, when you've reinvested all your earnings into the highest return streams, primarily Platform 4 and Platform 5, the numbers compound. Here's the compounding effect. Month 1 and 2, $50 to $100 per week across all 5 platforms. Month 3 to month 6, $120 to $150 per week. Why? Platform 2, content licensing, is getting more traction. More people are discovering your photos. Platform 4, digital product, has sold more copies as it climbs search rankings. Month 6 to month 12, $180 to $220 per week. Why does it compound? Because Platform 2 and Platform 4 are discovery-based. The more content you have, the more it works for you. After month 6, you have 300 photos live, not 150. You have 2 digital products, not 1. Both are earning simultaneously. And Platform 5 compounds because referral networks reward consistent sharers. Month 1, maybe 8 people click your link. Month 6, maybe 25 to 30 people click your link because your reputation builds and you're visible in more places. So by month 12, if you reinvest half of your earnings back into Platform 3 and Platform 4, the highest compound return streams, here's what happens. Your micro-investing account has grown from $1,200 to approximately $2,000, generating roughly $80 per month in dividends instead of $55 per month. Your digital products library has grown from 1 to 3 products, and you've refilled Platform 2 with another 150 photos. Your monthly earn from these has doubled. Your referral network is now generating consistent $150 to $180 per month because you're sharing every single week, and your network of people asking for financial advice has expanded. Month 12 looks like this: $200 to $230 per week across all 5 platforms. That's $10,400 to $11,960 per year. And here's the crucial part: that number doesn't drop back down. It stays at that level or grows. It's not one-time income. It's recurring, compounding, completely separated from your job. If you take that $200 per week and reinvest it entirely into Platforms 3 and 4 for the next 12 months, let me show you what 24 months looks like. You have approximately $4,000 to $5,000 in micro-investments generating 4% yield. That's $160 per month in dividends. You have 5 to 7 digital products generating $200 to $300 per month in passive sales. Your referral network is generating $200 to $250 per month because you've built genuine authority and people trust your recommendations. Your content on Platform 2 has grown to 500 images, generating $80 to $120 per month as some photos become perennials that license repeatedly. Your cashback is now $50 to $60 per month because your spending hasn't changed, but the app is optimizing for you. Month 24 total, $690 to $890 per month in passive income. That's $160 to $205 per week. And you're still putting 0 hours per week into these platforms. The setup work is done. Now I'm going to tell you the 3 mistakes that kill this stack before it pays. Mistake 1. Starting with Platform 5. Referral networks look easiest because they require zero creation. But they also generate the slowest compound effect. They plateau quickly. Don't start there. Start with Platforms 1 and 2. They have immediate payoff, which builds momentum and keeps you motivated. Mistake 2. Trying all 5 simultaneously in month 1. You'll burn out. Pick Platforms 1 and 2 in month 1. Add Platform 3 in month 2. Add Platforms 4 and 5 in month 3. Mistake 3. Not reinvesting anything. If you earn $100 in month 3 and spend it on coffee, you break the compound cycle. If you reinvest $50 back into Platform 3 or 4, you've just planted a seed that grows into an additional $25 to $50 per month by month 6. So here's what you do this week. Step 1. Open a cashback app and link your regular debit card. Takes 15 minutes. Instant payoff next month. Step 2. Take 50 to 100 photos of your environment this week. Upload them to 2 stock photo platforms. Takes 4 hours across the week. Step 3. Open a micro-investing app and set up a $100 per month contribution. Takes 20 minutes. That's it. You've activated 3 of the 5 platforms. You've got 8 hours of work in week 1. And by week 5, you're earning the baseline amount. Don't wait until you're perfect. Don't wait until you have the ideal setup. Start with the 3 platforms I mentioned. Get them running. Then add Platforms 4 and 5 once you've got momentum. This is real money from real Australian platforms that have been paying people for 3 to 5 years. $200 per week is achievable within 12 months if you start this week. Subscribe if you're building passive income streams. I release updated platform recommendations and real earnings data every month.